Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lerato Mogoena. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, hello my love. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today we're back with another video. This video is a sponsored video by LuvMe Hair. They were so kind enough to send me their beautiful unit. So yeah, I want to unbox and show you how the hair looks like, and we are going to install the hair. So guys, you know LuvMe Hair, their boxes always look like this. So this is the packaging, and I just want to open it up so I can show you guys the hair. Guys, this hair, it is super soft. So this is a 22-inch unit. It is a 13 by 4 lace closure, and it is 100% human hair. So I like the fact that the lace is transparent, as you guys can see, and the hair comes with these two combs in front. One is on the right and the other is on the left, and we have the last one here at the bottom of the hair. You have that adjustable comb. The hair also comes with the adjustable band, and we have two adjustable bands as well at the bottom. So yeah guys, the texture of the hair, it's silky, and it's a color 1B. It has a little bit of a brown and black, so I think it's mixed in the hair. I'm also so much in love with the lace. I just want to show you how it blends well with my skin. So the lace is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it is pre-bleached. As you guys can see, like, it's giving so natural, it's giving supernatural. Like, I love the hair unit so much. So guys, yeah, I want to install the hair, but firstly I want to straighten the hair, and then like prep the hair, and then I'll install it. So guys, join me as I do an installation, and I'll show you guys how the end looks like.
Love you, babe. I got nothing to unwind. in my mind. I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to stay, no. You broke it down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, babe. I got nothing to unwind.
Hi guys, so this is where I end this video. I really love this hair. It's so soft, it's giving legs. Look how it sits with my skin, like it blends really well. You'd swear this is my hairline, you'd swear this is my hairline, but that's my hair there. But you'd swear from here it's my hairline, and it sits very well. Like the lace, very transparent. Yo, I love it so much. So yeah guys, this is where I end the video. I'll list all the details of this unit on my description box, and if I have a discount code, as I'm waiting for one from the brand, I'll add it on the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you on my next one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all